Good morning students. Welcome to your mathematics class. Chapter 10. Today we are going to do worksheet 3, construction. After watching this video, students will be able to recall the construction of perpendicular lines and parallel lines, draw the division of a line segment into equal parts, can construct the division of a line segment in a given ratio internally. Let us draw a line segment AB of 5 cm and divide it internally into 6 parts. Let us see how can we divide a line segment into 6 equal parts. First of all, we have to draw a line segment of measure 5 cm. We have drawn a line segment. Name it as AB and the measure of this line segment is 5 cm. Step 2. Draw an acute angle. Acute angle you draw as a measure of 60 degree at point A as well as point B of the same measure. Place a compass here. Mark angle 60 degree. Place a compass here. Mark angle 60 degree. Now join the extended line AQ. Mark point Q same way from B. Mark point R. Now what you can do? Open a compass of any radius. Any radius you open it. How many line parts you want to divide? 6. So make 6 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can extend that also. 6. Same way with the same radius at the bottom you can rotate your sheet. You can make 6 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Name these points. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. A from B mark as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Now what you have to do? A very easy step. You have to just join A. First of all, join this last point as a dotted line. From A6 to B. Now you may join. A1, B5, A3, B3, A2, B4, A5, B1. So what we have done? We have divided the line segment into 6 equal parts. Now you can measure, you can easily check these are the 6 equal parts. Let us do sum number 5 in which you have to draw a line segment AB of length 7 cm and find a point P on it such that AP ratio PB is equal to 1:3. Measure AP and PB. Let us do this construction. Step 1. What we have to do? We must draw a line segment of measure 7 centimeter. So I have taken a marker point 1, 7. A, B. I had drawn a line segment AB of 7 centimeter. Step 2. What I have to do? I have to draw an acute angle on A and with the same radius at B. I draw here 60 degree and even at B 60 degree. Draw the extended lines. E, Q, R. Now, see, we have to draw in ratio AP by PB is equal to 1:3, 1/3. Mean A part is 1 and B part is 3. So total we were having how many parts? 1 plus 3, 4. So we divide this line by opening a compass of any radius into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way from B, 1, rotate your sheet. It's quite easy after rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you have to do? Give the names to these points. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. Same way B1, B2, B3, B4. Now in which ratio we have to divide? 1:3. When we have to divide in 1:3, mean A1 and B3. So we join those points. A1. Where is the ray for the A1? This one. This is the ray for the A1 and B3. We join it. So we are getting a point here. This point is known as P. This point is known as P. Now measure A, P and PB. What is the measure of A? When we measure AP, we are getting 1.567 and further 0.5 more, 1.75. AP is equal to 1.75 and PB is equal to 2.2, measure 5.12 and 0.5 more, 5.25 centimeters. Let us do one more sum. Draw a line segment AB 5.5 centimeter. Find a point P on it such that AP is equal to 2/3 of PB. Now, the same procedure which we have followed in the previous sums. What we have to do? First of all, I have to draw a line segment 5.5 centimeter. I draw a line segment 5.5 centimeter. I name this as A, B as it is mentioned in our question. So now same way at A, I have to draw an acute angle. And even on B, I have to draw an acute angle. I draw the acute angle of measure 60 degree. You must draw the angle 60 degree. The reason is just because in 60 degree there is minimum chances of error. Otherwise you can draw 30, 15, any measure. But it must be an acute angle. Measure less than 90 degree. So I just draw a ray, extended lines. Mark as a point Q. Here mark as a point R. Now we have to draw AP by PB is equal to 2:3. Means total parts 2 plus 3, 5. AP 2 parts and PB 3 parts. So how many arcs I should make? 5. I place a compass here. Open with any radius. It doesn't mention required 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, just any radius. I make 1 arc, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, at placing a compass at B, I make with the same radius 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what you have to do? Label the points A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Here B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Now in which ratio you have to join? 2:3. Mean 2 parts of A. So I take A as A2 and B as B3. I join this. A2 and B3. The point of intersection is known as point P. So here what we have done? We have divided the line segment in such a way AP by PB is equal to 2/3. Now you should complete your worksheet yourself.